Well, hi Chris, welcome to American Leather. Happy to have you here in our showroom, April 19th, 2019 market. American Leather was founded in 1990 with a simple mission. We wanted to create custom upholstery and get it into our customers' homes in about 30 days. And we did that using technology and design to create really one of the best products out there, manufactured using the most modern manufacturing techniques, computer-controlled cutters, and then sewn by our craftsmen in our factories in Dallas. Our products are all made in America and feature primarily American components, although we do import some fabrics and some leathers. We're continuing our tradition of bringing beautiful furniture out every market. And this market, we've got several new collections. Our signature collection in this market is the Metropolis Collection. 5 silhouettes, all built on the same chassis, so giving you an opportunity for your customer to try different styles once they found a sit that they find comfortable. So it's sitting on almost a zero profile frame, tubular frame, using our European interlaced webbing, and then about 8 inches of high density, high resiliency, ultra dense foam, including the use of memory foam. There's a variety of stitching options, 5 different arm styles, from a narrow track to a wide track, a sloping arm, detailed tailoring that make each style slightly different, but still in the same comfort range. So if you like one, but if you see one in the store, you may be able to choose any of the styles that you like. That's our Metropolis collection. We also came out with 3 other frame styles this market, the Sedona, the Thea, and the Ellis. The thing that I think is interesting, they all feature what I call a peekaboo back cushion. It gives you the look of a little spacing in between each cushion to give it a little tailoring detail that I think is a nice look. It's not just your everyday sofa with a straight cushion, cushion, cushion. It's really distinctive and bespoke. Once again, we've done innovation in our Comfort Sleeper, our signature product, really. I think the thing that most people are familiar with us. We're constantly striving to make it more comfortable, more durable, more reliable. And in this case, we did a simple tailoring change to make it aesthetically more pleasing, basically camouflaging the mattress and altering the back cushion so that as it sits in your home when it's not a sleeper, you can't tell that there's a mattress in there. So that's been a nice change, and I think it's enhanced the product quite a bit. The other big thing we have this market is introducing 177 new fabrics into our line. We've positioned our fabrics into a performance handle that is based on the durability, what we call double rubs. And that handle is all our starting grades. It's easy to work with, and most of our sleeper comfort customers really find that's the starting place that they want to work with. For customers who are looking for something a little bit more durable, a little bit more serviceability, we have our Tech Performance handle, and that includes our Krypton assortment, our Sunbrella assortment, and now we're adding inside-out fabrics from Valdez Weavers. These all have great fade resistance, as well as cleanability and durability. So if you've got an exposed sofa, if you've got a window, a lot of light coming into your home, that's a big concern for a lot of people, particularly in Northern California where we have beautiful views. People want to have their windows open, but they don't want to worry about their furniture getting sunburned. These Tech Performance fabrics are really, really reliable. They provide extreme fade resistance. So that's very exciting. And then within what we call our livable luxury fabric line, our expanded fabrics, we brought in a really beautiful assortment of textures and fibers and feels, some having great durability along with fashion, and some that are simply wonderful. My favorite is a fabric we call Boykin. I was told that Boykin is a type of poodle, and it does look like a poodle fabric. It's soft. You want to just pet it, and cuddle up in it, and it makes for a really great sofa. We took our Comfort Air collection and we have enhanced that as well by adding a new extra large size. We added 2 inches to height. We know that height is a very important feature. We're passionate about comfort. Our engineers spend a lot of time to make sure that our seats have the right pitch, the right feel, and by pitch I mean how you sit back in it. The ratio of seat height to seat depth. And that's really important. And we found that we needed to get a little bit more support for those chairs because that's a chair that people hang out in. They're going to read in it, they're going to watch TV, they're going to really relax in that chair. And so by going to an extra large height, we found that we really enhanced what is already a really comfortable chair. We've expanded our Style in Motion collection, which is our innovative reclining sofas, to add a new style called the Paxton. It gives you height and depth and just real comfort. We had a hard time getting the McCreery's out of those chairs when they were sitting there. We had to coax them out with food and drink. They were very comfortable. What else do we have here at Market that we want to talk about? Fabrics, fashion, features, enhancements, technology. That's really what American Leather's all about. That's been our mission. That's what we spend our days and nights thinking about, and we had a really good time introducing those things here at Market for you.